Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to breezily bridge with only like a 4-3 CPS and all the secrets to it. But before we get into that, make sure to go down there, like and subscribe, and comment down below any other things you'd like me to show you or any other things you're stuck on that I might be able to help with. Anyway, let's get into it. So first guys, you want to set up two blocks in there. You can have pillars like that, but I don't choose to have that, and a certain amount of blocks between them. I've got 5 because I'm decent at breezily bridging now, but you know, I would advise having 3 blocks between them first, and then go to 4, then go to 5, because then that would make it easier. But anyway, let's go on to the first tip. The first tip guys is the placing of the block. Now you don't want to place it too low because you have less time to place it then. It's like a lot harder to time it right if you're doing that. So you want to go higher up on the block so you can time it perfect and you have the whole of the block to time it with. So yeah guys, you want to place it top left of the block. It's easier to do with a good texture pack because with wood there's this line on my texture pack, and you know, you can see clearly where to place the block on the top left. Okay guys, second secret is the timing placement. Now timing placement is quite hard, and I'll show you some clips now of my timing placement. Yeah, and as you can see in that, as I showed you the slow-mo version of it as well, you could see when I was clicking my block and it was perfect every time. And you want to get that good timing placement. It's like if you're building up just as you're about to fall down, you wanna place the block right there. So guys, here's a really good drill for the timing placement. You wanna get it like perfect every time without opening a fence, but you know, it's quite hard if you'd ask me, and you know, it takes a good amount of time to get good at placing and getting the timing right, because you know, it's that type of drill, and that's what Breezily is basically guys. It just takes a long time to do it. Okay guys, the third tip is movement. Now you might want to practice the movement. You want to literally go to the end, then when you're just about there, that's when you cut back and then place the other block. And that's the breezily bridging that I've been doing today. You know, there's other types of breezily bridging, like where you just spam A and D, which I'm gonna try to do it now, where you just you go in a straight line. It's basically the moonwalk, but you know, it's quite a bit harder to do. So you know, your movement is you get to that there, then you cut back. So you want to be placing it kind of in the middle, I guess. But the main thing with this is just timing, guys. Because you know, it's quite hard to do this if you have 10 CPS, because you need, I'd say, a minimum of like 12 CPS to do this. So you know, I think that it's quite hard to do. Right, secret 4 guys is if you're getting far on the breezily but you feel like you're gonna fall off, you just do a jump, then you carry on, and this is quite a good thing to do. You look like you're god bridging if you do it, but you know, you need quite a bit of practice to do it. I can't just do it yet, so you know guys, it does show that, you know, being able to breezily bridge does take a while. So you guys, you're not going to get it on the first go you do it. You shouldn't expect that, but if you do, you know, you've just got absolutely amazing timing. Like my timing's still a bit off, but you know, if you feel like you're going to fall off, just place a block up, reset, and if you're on Skyward, someone might like snowball you off, but you know, you might be quick enough to do it, but yeah. Right guys, on to the last and final tip, is that this is going to take time. It took me, what, a week to get here, and I'm not even too good at it yet. You know, I can only go around 6-7 blocks and then fall off, so you know, I can't be using that in Bed Wars or anything. But you know, it'll take quite a long time. But if you just go on survival when you're warming up, and just place these 2 blocks and just do a few runs back and forth like every day when you get on, and then you can play on your server or whatever, then you know, you'll eventually get better at it, and then you can extend the amount of blocks in between and all that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, hope it helped you out, but you know, you just got to get your timing right on it if you want a really low one. Now just do it, you know, in the survival world as much as you can. Now if this helped you out guys, hopefully it did. Sorry if it didn't, but if it did, please go down there, smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps me out. It doesn't take much out of your day and it's free. So yeah, see you in the next one.